The Sound of Stars is a sci-fi thriller about the power of love, books, and music. 2 years ago, the Alori arrived in their chrome spaceships and conquered the Earth using only their minds. Now, humans live strictly controlled lives, only allowed to socialize and go outdoors according to a closely regimented schedule. Books, art, and music are outlawed, and the punishment for breaking the law is death. Janelle defies the rules by supplying books to other people from her family's hidden collection. Morris is a lab-made Alori, created in order to maintain Earth for the true Alori in space. When he discovers Janelle's illegal library, he should execute her. But he has a secret as well. He loves human music and can't bring himself to kill a fellow collector. Now, Janelle's fate, and maybe humanity's fate, rests on the two of them working together to reach a solution that's thousands of miles away. Author Alechia is a former librarian and chef. The Sound of Stars can be checked out from our physical print collection and downloaded from Overdrive as an ebook and Hoopla as an audiobook.